So grab your gear, bring your crew. Big catches with CJ's got the view. For birds, cast fear to a one-side roll. La Perouse fishing, always wanting more.
Good morning, shaggers. Again with Bear Island there. We're looking at the botany area, and what a top morning this morning. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning if you're planning, or 6:45 if you're planning your day out in the water. What a top time to do it. The break of sunrise. We've got a few boats off the point there for ready for the Rat King onslaught. I've got a few people down on the rocks down through here at the moment fishing the quiet. A couple of guys actually heading down there through here now. But we're going to more importantly to the wharf to see how the wharf has been going. So to give you an update, so if you're ready to pack your gear and get down to Lapa today, you can plan well ahead. Looking from here, it's a high tide once again, and I have to say the bay is looking magnificent. So if you've got a boat and you're worried about the traffic jam at the boat ramps, get out there. It's a glorious day to get out down to La Perouse and have a fish. Parking obviously is no problems at this time of the morning. It's great. We've got a few people fishing off the break wall of Frenchman's, and the usual suspects probably will be down here fishing the wharf. Again, we'll let the camera do the talking and see what has been caught in the night session, even the early morning. You know, when you want to maintain the possibility of catching something, it's always good to come in the early hours, sunbreak. Those pockets, sunrise and sunset, are always good time because some of the fish remain dormant, and they come active in the morning to feed, just like us. Our body clocks on, body clocks off. Fish are no different. Some are always 24 hours eating, and those are the ones you want to catch because they're rapid growth rate. But especially the wharfs area, because the amount of people come down here and the array of baits that you have, and the rigs, it's a smorgasbord for people to pick. Now you're looking at the beach at the moment. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 people in this area through here fishing the beach already. There's no problems. We've got a gentleman down here on the rocks. We've got a guy on the break wall. Yarra Bay is looking magnificent. One person, I think, boats out on the reef at there, and we'll walk on down. The water looks again nice and clear and magnificent. Previously, like the previous weeks, it was that cloudy after that rain, but now you're really seeing the clarity in the water pick up, which is a positive for everyone. More oxygen in the water. Fish are become more active rather than being hibernating and not wanting to come out and have a feed. Remember, when you use this facility, it's a great facility, do the tidy up. It's not hard. There's a tap here, there's a bucket if you get squid to wash that ink out all the way through here, and really good. We've got Peter there. He's one of the legend black fishermen I've ever seen. Unbelievable the amount of blackfish he catches, which is fantastic. And we'll come back and have a chat to Pete later on to see how many he's got. He's probably thrown back 30 already. Hey Pete, how many you caught? 30? 3 so far. When did you start?
10 past 6.
Oh, rightio. So Pete's one of the legends down here, and I'm going to come back and have a chat. There's the black fisherman from the old school days, which is fantastic, and always really good. He knows his stuff. So we've got a array of kids fishing here through now, all the way through on this side through on the botany, which is great. I don't know if there's been any catches so far except for Pete. He's pretty prolific in the black fishing down here. He knows his stuff well and truly. With the high tide, it limits the amount of slots you have down in the area, so everyone pushes up high. As the low tide comes down, people push down into the back. So if you're planning your day so far, again, you sort of miss the boat so far. So if you're travelling from the inner west, outer west, to come down through here or the suburbs, get down here early with the sun about to break and a top day ahead, you're really gonna find it hard to jam in a spot. I've got a couple of there's a good sized brim down there already, so that's a really good catch for the area. Really good. This is jigging all the way, which is great. It's amazing what you can pull off and what you can catch down here. It's really a great place to catch fish. We've got a few live bait going on there, which is great for the kings, little rat kings, which is good, or anything else that wants to take a salmon, the live yakkers. And we continue to come down all the way through here. With coming to the wharf, you know, you can always consolidate a spot, you know, because it is, to get your spot, you can actually put a wrap down onto the railings through here and sort of reverse a spot if you wanted to. But again, as you can see, the water is that clear. It's fantastic, and you're looking at the bay through there now. What else would you rather be doing, team? Anyway, that's a wrap for the report. We'll head back up through here and up here so it doesn't wash me away. There that is. So very quiet except for that one brim so far. The pilch is up, floating away, which is really good. An array of fishing rods and different breaking pound strains, which is good. Cleaners here always try and help him out. You're doing a great job. Thank you for your good work, mate. Thank you. And everyone's casting out and having a go. Okay, we've got our little wrasses and our brim down through there, which is good. Each one of those brims about a $15,000 fine because they're undersized, but that doesn't matter. It's the fisheries problem that needs to come down here and do the education. The Global Tackle boys are here, which is good. If you want to support a local fishing shop around the area, is Global Tackle in Maroubra Road. Again, I'm not sponsored by any of them, but they always seem to help me. It's always astounding me, you know, the wharf structures that we have. The people are fishing, and we still lack the education for catching the undersized fish within the area. Now, the undersized fish, especially off a fishing wharf, and astounds me sometimes. But who am I to comment? I'm not even fishing. I'm just making commentary on a fishing report. Game on.
Looks real big,
Okay, so we've got, look at this, so we've got a bit of action through here. I was telling you about Pete. He's very good with the black fishing through here, and he's putting on a treat for us now because very fortunate catching this. Everyone is in awe because they go, oh, the blackfish. And there we go. So we've got a first live catch, and Pete, this is that's a good size, Pete.
Yeah, it's a reasonable one.
Yeah. So look at that one, eh? That's a little beauty there. That's a little ripper. Yeah. All right, Pete. Love you and leave you. Always good. Catch you later. Bye.
Weights on shoulders, mates rolling in wide, buckets clanging, bait on ice. La Perouse Wharf, yeah, we're rolling the dice. People everywhere, shoulder to shoulder. Oh, starts yelling, cast it closer. Beginners shaking, hands all tight, but everyone's welcome on a Saturday bite. Lines in the water, hope in the air. You don't need luck, just be there. It's the La Perouse Wharf fishing report. Spots are filled, but we're lining up for more. First cast hero, season poles. Give it a go, that's how it goes. Yeah, the La Perouse Wharf fishing report. If you wanna learn, this is your Ford recess. Kids with handlines, ads with gear, old mates tangled but laughing here. Someone hooks up whole walk funds, shares it rough like the harbor bridge burns. Beginners asking what rigs that, try is help it out, having a chat. From first timers to local thief, everyone chasing that silver sweep. You might miss, you might score, but you'll be back for one cast more. It's the La Perouse Wharf fishing report. Crowded rails, but the vibe's hardcore. From dead and butter to something rare, hope, bait, and salty air. Yeah, the La Perouse Wharf fishing report. This is fishing, whoa, and pure. No boat, no worries, no ego, no stories. Just blaze a rod and a fair crack. If you lose a rig, you'll be back. It's the La Perouse Wharf fishing report. If you knew a king, this is your spot. Watch, learn, laugh, or repeat. Every tide brings something sweet. Yeah, the La Perouse Wharf fishing report. Tune in, line up, hit the shore. So grab your gear, bring your crew. Big catches with CJ's got the view. For birds, cast fear to a one-side roll. La Perouse fishing, always wanting more.